Welcome to Have an IPA with a CPA. We're here to share ideas to help you and your business make more money and keep more of the money you make. I'm Robyn Pye, CPA and co-owner of Mueller Pye and Associates, with offices in Northern Colorado and Katy, Texas. I'm with Brooke Hupp, an advanced certified QuickBooks Pro advisor and a member of our team at Mueller Pye. We're here to talk about outsourced accounting.
But first, let's talk about the beer.
All right.
We are at Grimm Brothers Brew House, one of the original breweries here in Loveland, and we're going to try their Three Golden Hairs. It's a German Pilsner.
I love the name, so
Cheers.
cheers. I could drink that all day. That's delicious.
Good.
All right, so what do we mean by outsourced accounting?
Let's take a step back and talk about bookkeeping and accounting, because that is confusing for some people. Bookkeeping refers to the recording of the financial transactions, while accounting is the analysis of those transactions to help make financial decisions.
So when we talk about outsourced accounting in our firm and what we provide for our clients, outsourced accounting encompasses both of those things.
It does. Think of it as a back office support service that's supported by cloud-based mobile tools such as QuickBooks, Bill.com, that can be customized for business owners to help them with their business needs.
Okay, all right. So what are the benefits of outsourced accounting?
There's several. It allows the business owners to focus on their business, not on the accounting. And it also eliminates the need for recruiting, training, evaluating bookkeepers, and the cost benefits of having employees. They may not need somebody 40 hours a week. Also will help cut down on employee fraud, which we have another video on that on our channel, so people can watch that if they'd like more information.
Yeah, it definitely reduces the risk.
And it also gives them access to outside expertise. We spend many hours training, going to conferences, learning all the newest softwares and trends to help your business. Business analytics, we can help them read their financial, make decisions, KPIs, that type of thing.
Yeah, okay. So when should an owner consider outsourced accounting?
Every situation's different depending on the business. Some say, if you have more than 75 employees, you definitely need an in-house accounting department, but most businesses have less than that. So that would be one. Business owner time constraints. If they're spending more time doing their accounting than growing their business, let us take over. Let us do what we do so they can do what they do, which it takes a special person to do accounting. Not everybody loves accounting.
You mean not every small business owner absolutely loves accounting?
No, we're a special breed.
It's not the first time I've heard that.
And then there's high growth. If they're spending all this time growing their business, sometimes they let their accounting slide.
And we see that a lot.
We do. And then all of a sudden they're needing to go out and get some financing, and they don't have the financial statements, which is the first thing a bank or lender is going to ask for.
Yeah, and the other thing we see is they let it go, and it ends up costing them more for us to go back and undo the mess that's been created, and to redo would have cost much less to just do it right the first time.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Let us use the tools and the expertise that we have.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like what you said. Let us do what we do so they can do what they do.
Absolutely. And, we can definitely help with that.
Yeah. Great information, Brooke. So we hope that you found this information useful. Be sure to send us an email with questions, comments, or suggestions for future topics. And check our Have an IPA with a CPA YouTube channel for additional topics and ideas. Until next time, Prost.